Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Becoming an Instagram influencer is a popular way to monetize your online presence and content creation skills. Here are some steps to consider if you're interested in becoming an Instagram influencer. 1. Define your niche. Determine the specific area of interest or expertise that you want to focus on. Choosing a niche helps you target a specific audience and establish yourself as an authority in that particular area. 2. Create a compelling profile. Set up an Instagram account dedicated to your chosen niche. Optimize your bio, profile picture, and username to reflect your brand or personal identity. Make sure your profile visually represents your niche and appeals to your target audience. 3. Post high-quality content. Consistently share high-quality, visually appealing, and engaging content that aligns with your niche. Use captions, hashtags, and geotags strategically to reach a wider audience. Experiment with different content formats, such as photos, videos, stories, and reels, to keep your feed diverse and interesting. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions to build a strong connection with your followers. Engage in meaningful conversations and ask for feedback to foster a sense of community. Collaborate and interact with other influencers or brands in your niche to expand your reach. 5. Grow your follower base. Use organic strategies to attract more followers. This includes optimizing your posts for discoverability, leveraging relevant hashtags, engaging with other users' content, and promoting your Instagram account through other platforms or websites. You can also consider running targeted ad campaigns on Instagram to reach a broader audience. 6. Collaborate with brands. As your follower count and engagement grow, brands may approach you for partnerships or sponsored posts. Alternatively, you can proactively reach out to brands that align with your niche and propose collaboration opportunities. Ensure that any brand partnerships you enter into are authentic and align with your values and audience's interests. 7. Monetize your influence. Once you have established a substantial following and engagement, you can explore various monetization avenues. These may include sponsored posts, brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, selling merchandise, offering shout-outs or endorsements, and creating and selling your own digital products or services. Remember, building a successful Instagram presence takes time, effort, and consistency. It's essential to stay authentic, create valuable content, and engage with your audience genuinely. Adapt and evolve your strategies as the platform and audience preferences change to maintain your relevance as an Instagram influencer. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.